Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error solved. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Update service, change startup type to automatic, start the service, click apply, click OK. Second method is click start, settings, click Windows Update and security, click troubleshoot, click additional troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the troubleshooter. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, windowsupdate. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, bits. Ren space /Windows /software distribution space, software distribution.old3. Ren space /Windows /system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old4. Net space, start space, windowsupdate. Net space, start space, crypt svc. Net space, start space, bits. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is open any browser. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 10 and check Keep Personal Files and Apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.